Hello guys. Um, I'm gonna show you how to use the templates which I sent this morning. So when you go to our class website, you should find out the templates, the HTML templates under the resource page. So it's in the in-class material. So click on this link. It will download to your laptop. So it's a zip file named layout. And this is, I actually made two files for the HTML. One is for the long layout and one is for the pages layout. So you will be able to replace your own layout to the HTML. Let's just wait until this complete downloads. So you can find out here's your, so when you open this up, you will see these three files. So first one is for the long layout HTML. That's for the, for you guys who are working on the long layout. And the second one is the pages layout. So if you are working on separate pages, you are going to use these templates. And the image file folder is actually to store your images or the all the layouts. So you are going to export your files from the Illustrator to a JPEG file. So this one is a long page layout file. So the width should be the 1024 pixel, and these are the pages layout. You also need to export them. So that's the section 1, section 2, 3, 4. So depends on your sections, you need to actually export the pages. Also along with the small layout. Also, if you got a long page or separate pages, you're gonna put all the JPEG files into the image folder. So when you actually done with that, let's first open up the long layout in brackets. So first of all, let me also open up the pages layout. So first of all, as you can see, so within the body section, there are two grid text nodes. You will find out that, and you will gonna do your replacement in here. So you are going to replace, the first one you're going to replace is the small layout. So as you can see, you just put your small layout in the folder of image, and then relocate your image. So this one width is 768, and also you need to replace the large layout JPEG. So the width is 1024 pixel. Actually, I made this as a responsive layout. So when you actually go to the preview, so first of all, you will be able to see the large screen layout. So when you drag the browser to a small screen, so when you hit hit the 760 pixel of the width, it will actually change to a small layout. So this is the best and quickest way for you to do a preview to see how your page are responsive, switching back and forth. So the only thing you want to do is to replace the small JPEG and the large JPEG. That's it. And for the pages layout, so for the pages, as you can see that the only different stuff is these are got separate images. Is because we are working on the pages layout. So you actually need to export each section pages. So I got 4 pages. So I need to import 4 layout pages. And also for the small layout, I didn't actually do the samples, but you need to actually export your small layout pages to the to the image folder, and then link all your images into the HTML. So as you can see, these have the same, exactly the same function as the as the long page layout. But the only different thing is that there is a little gap between each pages. So you don't need to worry about this. So the only thing you want to do is to replace all the images. So the first line, according to the class, the first line is the first section is the small, the second section is the large. So don't mess them up. So when you actually, after you import all the images into the HTML and save that, preview, and you will see here is the the page, your website page. So it's actually create a long page layout for you. So when you shrink the size, you will see the responsive. So here's pretty much how you're gonna access these templates. So after you're done with these templates, you're gonna save that. So it depends on which one you are working on, but actually I just wanna let you just copy this or just drag this, open up your local root folder. So let me find my local root folder. So in the project 3, you want to just place this one into the process folder. So here is your layout folder, and you should have either the long layout page or the pages layout. So and then after that, you actually need to link. So you want to open up your, let me see, where is my, so project 3 index HTML. So you want to open this up. So when you open this up, let's take a preview. So you should know that we got a drop-down menu that is called layout. So for this one, you're gonna link this one to your templates. So find out your layout. So here's my layout. I've already linked together. So actually, you just change the href. So locate your locate your locate your layout, either the long layout or the pages layout. So you need to actually link that together. So for me, I'm actually linked the long layout. So it depends on which one you are working on. So you're gonna link that together. So when you click on that, you will be able to see your page, you know. And when you test the responsive layout, make sure if it works. So after you're done with the link, you will go to your Dreamweaver. So make sure that you save the HTML. So you're gonna open up your local files in a Dreamweaver. You will find out your your project 3 index page, and make sure you're gonna do a retest to make sure your layout are working. So looks like mine is working. So make sure everything works fine, just fine. So you are going to just connect your server. So connect to your server and upload all the files to the server. So for next class we are going to do the layout critique. So basically I'm just going to your go to the project 3 and go to your layout. So you will be able to see your let me just upload. It might take a while to upload to the server, so I recommend you to do this as soon as possible. So make sure that, as you can see, that there is a incomplete file. So when you close that, re-upload again. So every time you see an error, you need to actually re-upload again. That's sometimes for the for the free external hosting, there are some kind of errors that just happen to that. So every time you got an error, just re-upload until the errors are cleared out. So I'm thinking that anyway that's I still got the errors, but for you guys, you're gonna just upload everything correctly. So you will able to see the file here. Yes, I think that's pretty much how you're gonna use the templates and link the templates to make your page available. Get ready for the critique. So thank you for watching.